Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Castor oil for hair growth, how to use it. Have you been losing hair? Is your hair half of what it used to be? Have your friends, family, and coworkers been advising you to try castor oil for hair regrowth? They are giving you the correct advice. Rich in hair-friendly nutrients such as vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids, proteins, and minerals, castor oil also has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. You won't believe, but there are scores of hair products in the market with castor oil as an ingredient. Makeup artists and celebrities swear by it for its lash and eyebrow growth potential. But before you go about scouring the beauty shelves for the best castor oil for hair growth, here's a lowdown on the benefits of using castor oil on hair. Promotes hair growth. A lot has been said about the hair growth and regrowth potential of castor oil. Used regularly, castor oil does help in the growth of hair. No wonder it is used in several hair tonics. So if you have been battling thinning hair, or your scalp has been feeling a little lonely of late, it wouldn't hurt to try castor oil on your mane. Treats dandruff. Does dandruff annoy you on a daily basis? Castor oil is also great for fighting dandruff when used regularly. For best results, blend equal amounts of castor and coconut oils and add a couple of drops of tea tree oil to maximize its dandruff-fighting potential. Fights scalp infections. Castor oil, due to its anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial qualities, is of great use in treating scalp infections. According to a research, it was revealed that castor oil plays a vital role in curing tinea and seborrhea of the scalp. It is also reported that Ethiopians use the oil topically on the scalp to do so. Italians use it in an alcoholic solution to get rid of seborrhea and promote hair growth as well. Conditions the hair and reduces split ends. Smooth, strong, frizz-free hair is yours to keep with a bottle of castor oil by your side. It does a lot of wonders for your hair, from root to tip. It is a natural conditioner, reduces split ends, and smoothens the hair cuticle. Castor oil is also known to increase the luster of hair strands. How to use castor oil for hair growth. For starters, buy the cold-pressed variety as they retain the natural nutrients of the oil. Unrefined and hexane-free are other tags to look out for. Users of castor oil recommend blending castor oil with other oils to minimize its inherent stickiness. You can use it for hot oil treatments or just a regular weekly head massage and leave it on overnight. Washing off the castor oil can be quite a challenge because of its unusually thick texture. But you can make things easier by washing it off a day later so that most of it has been absorbed into your hair and scalp. Or you can try reverse hair washing, applying your conditioner before using the shampoo. Use castor oil with other oils. The problem with using pure castor oil on your hair is that it is extremely thick and sticky. So of course, you don't want a goopy mess on your dresses. That is why castor oil is recommended to be used in combination with these oils in a 1-to-1 ratio. Coconut oil, sesame oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, almond oil. You could also use Jamaican black castor oil. A hair oil that has been winning the hearts of beauty junkies of late is the Jamaican black castor oil, extracted from Jamaican castor seeds. It is darker in color due to the ash content in the oil owing to the roasting of the beans. It has a slightly burnt smell. It is believed that the ash makes it even more effective than regular refined castor oil. This wonderfully raw oil is now being used in a variety of hair care products such as serums, leave-in conditioners, shampoos, hair masks, and even styling lotions. Castor oil has been used as a magic potion for hair in combination with other oils for thousands of years. Egyptian women would blend it with rosemary, fir, and sweet almond oils to stimulate hair growth. A lot of tribes such as the Kani tribals in Tamil Nadu, India, use a blend of castor oil with coconut oil and some herbs to promote hair growth and boost hair health. Now that you know the many benefits of castor oil for hair, you can use it too.